So I did a disclaimer in my last video saying that I would have a lot of Chanel, and today we will have on the menu some Chanel. Of course, it's Babsy Girls Vintage channel. If you have something different from vintage Chanel, it's not normal. This bag wasn't planned, but when I saw her and I saw the price, I was like, I'm not gonna pass on this one, I will buy it. So let's say hello to the new member of Babsy Girls Vintage pre-loved bag. This is not vintage, I think this is just pre-loved, but look how cute this pretty baby is. So this is a pretty small bag. As you can see, you have this little charm here. I thought I would like took this out. You can just like open the thing, but then I was like, okay, add some, you know, extra fanciness to the bag, I will keep it. It's a kind of graffiti watercolor print. I don't know how we could name this. This is single flap, and I don't know, I really love single flaps because the extra flap, it's just extra weight, extra space, and extra for nothing. This is a made in France bag. I have the sticker. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 7-digit starting with 9. I will check the date and put it here. So maybe this bag is vintage. I'm not sure, but I think it's from early 2000. So maybe it's vintage, I don't know. So inside it's, I've seen this kind of fabric, you know, like it's just fabric inside too and outside too. And yeah, I think this is quite a nice handbag for summer. I don't think I'm gonna use it during winter or fall, so I might wait next year to wear it. But I think it was a really nice bag, you know. The price of it, I think it was, she was asking 750, and I think I sent her an offer and I got it for 650. So it's a pretty good price for a bag like this, because the bag looks, you know, like new. I mean, it's in a really good condition. And there is one exactly like this one, the same one, on Vestiaire Collective, and the price was 2000 something. And sorry, but I would like never pay 2000 for a bag like this, because okay, it's a nice little thing, but it's pretty small, it's just fabric, it's a summer bag, you can really see it. So yeah, 2000, it's extra too much, but 600, hell yes. So that's why, even if it wasn't planned, I decided, you know, to get it, because I think now you know, like getting a Chanel for 600, 700, it's really difficult, especially in a really good condition like this. It's the bag itself, it's really clean. You yeah, you can see the person took care of it. The only thing I don't really like about it, it's, you know, the sides. Hold on, yeah, the sides, it's a little bit like maybe she put some extra stuff. It's a little bit like, yeah, the shape, like the shape is lost, but otherwise I think the bag itself looks pretty nice. So yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you guys think about it. I don't know if I will have the opportunity to wear it this year, but if I do, I will post it on Instagram. And one extra good point for this one is the weight. It's very light, and I like that, you know, you can, you know, it's pretty thin and it's all fabric. So if you travel, we know we will not travel this year, but if you're going somewhere and you need to pack it, it doesn't take a lot of space, so it's nice. And as you have some pink, some blue, orange, yellow, etc., this is a bag you can actually, you know, wear with a lot of clothes and colors and etc. So I think it was a nice purchase. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't follow me yet. And yes, I see you in my next video. Et je vous fais des gros bisous. I see you. Bye.